Nanyang Goodway Machinery and Equipment Company Limited is National High-Tech Enterprise. Since 1991, Goodway focused on designing and providing complete set of cassava flour and garri processing lines for the clients. Here is the automatic cassava garri processing line equipment. Firstly, this is washing section. It can ensure the washing rate more than 98% to improve the quality of finished garri. Then it is the peeling section. The peeler can remove the outer skin and inner thick layer, ensure a high peeling rate, and effectively reduce material loss. This is the grading section. The grater can crush cassava into uniform size paste. Then it is the dewatering section. The presser can remove moisture to produce cassava cakes with 40 to 45% moisture content. This is the cake breaking section. The granulator can break pressed solid cakes into granulates. This is the roasting and frying section. The garri fryer can do the drying of wet garri and output dried garri with moisture content less than 13% by principle of automatic temperature control and stirring work. At last, it is the milling and packaging section. The milling machine can mill the coarse particles into fine ones, then package them into bags for storing conveniently. Goodway ensure that all parts which contacted with cassava materials are made of stainless steel for hygiene and improve the quality of finished garri. Automatic control system is optional and can be adjusted based on actual situation and project budget. You are welcome to visit our factory in China. We can customize the cassava processing machines according to your requirements.